Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made beautiful wall decor using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with 3 Dollar Tree foam boards and 7 Dollar Tree round mirrors. So the first thing I did was remove all 7 of my mirrors from their frames. I'm also using these 3-inch mirrors that I picked up from Joann's for less than $2. I randomly placed my mirrors onto my foam board and then I traced around my design. Next, I used a combination of Gorilla Glue and hot glue to adhere all 3 of my foam boards together. I then used an X-Acto knife to cut out my design. I removed the blank space between my circles as well. I used a Dollar Tree sanding sponge to smooth my rough edges. I covered my edges with this gold metallic ribbon that I picked up from Hobby Lobby on sale. I'm using that same Gorilla Glue and hot glue combination to attach my ribbon. I'll let you know that I did not care for this particular Gorilla Glue. It was super thin and difficult to clean up. So if you decide to duplicate this project, I would recommend you use the Gorilla Clear Grip Glue or a different brand instead. I allowed my glue to dry for about 2 hours, and then I cut away the excess ribbon. I'm again using my Gorilla Glue hot glue combination to re-add my mirrors. To add a bit more dimension, I'm adding a few additional 3-inch mirrors. Once I was happy with my design, I then allowed it to dry overnight. The following day, I used 100% acetone to remove the excess glue. I'm hanging my design with 2 large Velcro command strips. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.